Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to test your drinking water. We have a Varify complete water test kit 17 in 1. So what we're going to do is do a 16 in 1 test. Why? Because the 17th is a coliform bacteria or E. coli, which is a different type of test. And I'll show you what I'm saying. This one is a bacteria test for this coliform E. coli. It's a 48-hour test. You dump this powder in here, it's in there, dump it in the jar, fill it with water, shake it up, let it sit for 48 hours, and it tells you one or the other. So I just told you how to do it. This is the one we are going to do right now. So you can test your drinking water. Basically, what you need to do is get some water, pour it in this tube, all right? Then take one of these test strips, dip it in here. It has some instructions, 2 seconds, then hold it for 30, then compare it within 60 to see what you got. Now we're going to do a double comparison here. We're going to test this out with regular drinking water from the tap, so it's softened water basically. Then we're going to test some from my Brita water pitcher, and then we're going to compare the results. And so now, in order not to contaminate, I'm going to fill this with the tap water, and then we're just going to dip the test strip right into the bottom of this filtered Brita water. So we'll leave that here. So that's going to be round 2. All right, keep this one in the back burner right here. Okay, this is round 1. So pop this open. First of all, let's get our test strip ready. Okay, individually sealed. So you got 20 in there. There are 100 total. Pretty cool. So let's get one of these open. Okay, so now that's ready. Let's fill this up with some water. Do a couple rinses first. Okay, there we go. That's our regular tap water. Take one of these test strips. Look at all those. Dip it in. Make sure it's fully submerged. Says for about 2 seconds. So this has been more than 2 seconds, but that's good enough. Pull it out. Okay, we can get rid of that water. Now, wait for 30 seconds. Hold it flat. Do not shake off the water. Then we're going to compare it within 60 seconds. So we can see here already, they're starting to turn with all of the different levels. We have pH, hardness. This should be soft water because it is softened, so right there. Hydrogen sulfide, looks like we're good. Iron, looks like we're good. Our pH level though, look at that one. It's like probably right about here, so it looks good. Copper, all right, we're looking good, peachish. Lead, ooh, lead. Looks like we're good. Manganese, down at 0, good. Chlorine, looks like we're down here. Okay, mercury, looks like we're still good. Nitrate, still good. Nitrite, looks good. Sulfate, looks like we're on number 2 there. Zinc, looks like we're between those two, looks good. Fluoride, looks like it's probably about right there. Sodium chloride, see which one of those two, looks about there. Total alkalinity, looks like we're outside the level. So we're not good there. Should be up here in the greens. We're down here. So everything except alkalinity looks pretty nice. Now, let's set this one aside. So we'll put this one right there. That was our regular drinking softened water test. Let's grab another one, and we're going to dunk it down into the Brita. So let's remove this. This is the filtered water. You can see here, I'm going to remove this. This is the Brita filtering system. We got the filter there. So all this water ran through the filter and is in the bottom. So take that out. Grab another test strip. Okay. Dunk this sucker in there for about 2 seconds. So I think that's been about more than 2. You can obviously see on the time. Okay. Pull that out. Try not to shake off the excess water. You can see here I got water running, so it's pretty well on there. We'll wait about 30 seconds, then compare. You can see them start to turn already. Let's take a look at the differences, if any, between these two. Looks like they are different. You can definitely tell on the bottom, the Brita is more green on the bottom one, which is good. And on the top looks like a different color. But everything else looks pretty similar. So let's compare it to this. So it's the pH and the alkalinity that the Brita really makes a difference on. So the pH level is lower with Brita, but looks like it's also more hard. The water is a little harder, but everything else, hydrogen sulfide, iron, copper, lead, manganese, chlorine all look good. Mercury, nitrate, nitrite, sulfate looks pretty good. Zinc, fluoride, surprisingly, didn't take the fluoride out of the water. Sodium chloride looks good. Looks like it has a little bit more. Alkalinity, look at that. It ended up being about the same. Let me get the other one. So the one right here, this is Brita. Okay. Now this has been sitting longer, so the colors tend to change, but you can see they are very, very similar. We'll just compare them side by side. Okay. The one on the left is the Brita filter water. The one on the right is right out of the tap. So you can see here, very, very similar. Tap water seems to be pretty drinkable. It just might be the taste that's different. But that is how to test your water with the Varify 16 parameter water test strips, 16 in one, 5 pouches, 20 strips each, sealed up, so they're going to last you for a very, very long time. You get the results in seconds. Professional grade, simple instructions, EPA comparison for fresh water testing. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Hopefully, you now know exactly how to test your water with these awesome test strips. Fold that over, put this right back in for excellent, safe storage. And I wonder, when this dries, I could even store this inside this tube as well for awesome, easy storage. So again, any questions or comments, please post them below. And if you want to check this out, there'll be a link in the description below.